catching feelings, baby.
Hey guys, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. Please disregard my air on in the background, but I am finally back from a long hiatus with another video. So as you guys know, if you watch my last couple of videos, I relaxed my hair. I just blow dried it and it is short. So your girl finally got a company to send me some tape ends, y'all. So shout out to Isheeny hair on Amazon. They sent me 3 bundles of their Kinky straight 18-inch tape ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these on camera for you guys. There's always an ambulance going by my house. I'm gonna go ahead and install these on camera for you guys. So if you want to see how I go from my short relaxed hair to this kinky straight tape in texture, then stay tuned. So I wanted to go in and show you how many tapes come in each one. Each one has 20 tapes, so I have 60 tapes total, which is 120 grams. And this is what they look like. I did get the kinky straight, which I think is gonna blend nicely with my natural hair once I press this out. I think when I talked to the company, they told me that 3 should be enough for a full head, which I think it would be really, really good. So real quick, I'm going to part off the hair that I want to leave out. So I don't know if I want a middle part or a side part, so I'm just gonna leave out hair for both, and then just install the tape ends around. Now when I washed my hair, I didn't put any product on it because I don't want any oils to make the tape ends fall out, because that's normally how you take them out. So if you see my scalp being dry, you guys know I do have scalp psoriasis, then that is why. But I will oil and grease my scalp once I install the tape ends. But yeah, this relaxed life has been amazing. I don't regret relaxing my hair at all, simply because I never wore my natural curls anyway, because I felt like my hair wasn't long enough and I'm impatient. So I don't feel any kind of way because I relaxed my hair. I think it's made my hairstyling easier, and whenever my hair grows and I can just get up and wrap it and unwrap it, I will be so happy. So that is the middle part, and then I'm also gonna do a side part right here.
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl.
Alright y'all, so I installed the first bundle. I'm gonna show you guys later on in the video once I get towards the front, because honestly I cannot see anything in the back, like, but his hair is so full. Like, I'm so happy I got 3 packs. It's gonna be more than enough because I'm already almost to the middle of my head. But honestly y'all, it's hard. Like, get you someone to help you if you can. I mean, it's definitely doable, but it's taking me longer because I'm trying to make sure it's okay, and then I don't want to pull out my hair. And what I have been doing though is sealing it with the flat iron, so, which I will show in a second, but this is just the first bundle.
Nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
You go, oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you, Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have in this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have in this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you?
finished. I have two more two more tape-ins left that I'll probably find somewhere in my hair to put it. But this is all 3 bundles in my hair, and it is so cute. Now, I'm gonna have to go back in and leave some more hair out in the front, just because I have a lot of flyaways and a lot of short pieces because my hair is short. But other than that, like, it's dope. I'm gonna style it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it yet. I might just wear it like this today and then come back with a styling video. But I want to thank Isheeny for sending me this hair to review for you guys. I will have the link down in my description box below so that you can purchase. And yeah, so far so good. Literally like no tangles, no shedding, no nothing, and it feels and looks like my hair. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.